700 GSM Egyptian Cotton Bath Towel. Pamper yourself with Egyptian cotton bath towels. No one likes the feeling of old, torn, and rough towels in the bathroom, especially after a long day of work when you want to relax in the shower. Getting rid of towels that aren't as good as Egyptian cotton towels make your skin itch and very uncomfortable. Grown in the deserts of Egypt, this high-end cotton is usually made of much longer fibers. What makes this fiber so different? First, its fibers are twice as long as regular cotton grown in the United States. Because the fibers have such long staples, they can be spun into tighter and stronger threads. When spun, it makes things much stronger and, as a result, last much longer than their alternatives. You should buy an Egyptian cotton towel if you want to improve the look of your bathroom or replace your old, worn-out towels. These towels can give you and your family the extra comfort and warmth. Notice the change. What is the difference between Egyptian and regular cotton, used in many different products? Egyptian cotton fibers are longer and more continuous than regular cotton fibers. This is the main difference between the two. This means that there are more fibers in a standard cotton thread, which makes the thread thicker overall. Durable, soft, and absorbent. Compared to how soft and absorbent the Egyptian cotton towel sets for your home are, their strength and durability are minor. This is the real benefit because the whole point of buying high-quality towels is to get the thickest, softest, and most absorbent ones possible. If you're used to regular bath towels, the first time you use an Egyptian cotton bath towel, you'll notice the difference in quality. Bath items that go together. You can buy many things for your bathroom to make it more comfortable and welcoming for your family and guests. A 700 GSM Egyptian cotton towel can be a great addition to your bath towel. You can use it to dry your hands after washing them in the sink or use it as a washcloth in the bath or shower. Browse our incredibly soft range. Find out more about how Towelogy loves our luxury Egyptian towel line, which includes bath towels, bath sheets, hand towels, and bath mats made of Egyptian cotton. The towels are made to the highest standards and sold at a great price. They don't have anything in them that could hurt your skin or the environment. This way, you can shop without feeling bad about it.